Cyber Chatters, na-enjoy niyo ba yung usapan namin?
Kasi kami for sure nag-enjoy.
Alam mo, napaka-strong ni Batang Helmet no? Looking at her childhood, she was bullied as a child, tapos yet she used that traumatic experience as her strength, as her jumping board to do much better and as a medium to further contribute to her community.
Galing, no? Ako naman, I think yung takeaway ko from her story is that she really focused on responsibility. Dun sa fact na lahat ng ipopost mo, dapat conscious ka kung how it reflects on bigger issues like social issues, educational issues. Lahat dapat marunong ka kumambyo kung saan kailangan. Tsaka, mahalaga rin yung you know your audience, no? You cater to the right people. Pero alam mo, na-inspire ako sa isang part ng story niya, yung fact na interested and passionate siya sa arts, pero nag-nursing pa rin siya. Alam mo yung nakakatawa doon, she saw the good in nursing.
Yes.
Alam mo, may quote si Maria Ressa dyan eh.
Ano?
If you want to see goodness in the world, you have to be the good.
Yes, I
love that. And yun yung nakuha ko doon sa story ni Ate Grace.
And of course, sa pagbablogging, may nakukuha tayo dyang mga budget, meron tayo dyang sweldo. And I love that yung sweldo niya, her money, she uses that to give back to the community. Nagkakaroon siya ng feeding programs and grabe, nakaka-empower yun, no, David?
Yeah, nakaka-empower. Sana dumami pa nga yung mga vloggers na gano'n.
Alam mo, napatunayan ni Batang Helmet, kaya natin maging isang kaibigan kahit walang 10 million.
Correct. May point ka doon. So yun na nga. Look at the time. Kailangan na natin magpaalam sa ngayon. Cyber Chatters, maraming salamat sa pag-tune in sa ating episode 11. Magkita-kita tayo next week.
Dito lang sa Cyber Chat Season 3.